everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over choreography to Uptight by Stevie Wonder. So it's at about an intermediate, advanced level. I'd say more on the intermediate side. So enjoy. All right, so we're going to start with 2 slurps, right side, left side, or thirds. So a slurp or a third. I have a previous video going over that. If you don't know them yet, you can go back and watch that and then come back to this video. So a slurp, you have 2 of them, right side, left side. From here, you're going to go spank, step, heel on your right. I tend to do it behind my left foot. You don't have to. You can just go back. I tend to do it behind the left, though. Then you're going to do on your left foot paradiddle and then stomp on your right. Okay, so again, slurp, slurp, spank, step, heel, paradiddle, stomp. Okay, and then from here, you're going to kind of repeat it on your left side. So spank, step, heel on your left, and then dig on your right. Okay, ending it there on that dig. So again, slurp, slurp, spank, step, heel, paradiddle, stomp. Spank, step, heel, dig. Okay. From here, you're going to finish a paradiddle using this first dig here. So paradiddle, and then you're going to add 2 more paradiddles, left side, right side. And then with your left foot, scuff heel, brush heel. Okay, so try that again with me here. Slurp, slurp, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let me show you side here. And 5, 6, 7, 8. One thing I forgot to mention is after that dig, you're going to hold it for a minute, like a brief pause, and then you're going to finish the paradiddle. So it should be spank, step, heel, dig, pause, slight pause, and then you finish that section. So we just finished here. And then from here, you're going to repeat that whole thing on your left side. So slurp, slurp, oops, excuse me. Spank, step, heel, paradiddle, stomp. Spank, step, heel, dig. And then finish this after a minute, a pause, finish that paradiddle, add 2 more. And then scuff, heel, brush, heel. Let me show you side view of that one. So starting from those slurps. So we ended on scuff, heel, brush, heel on our right foot. From here, you're going to go scuff, double heel. So right foot, left foot. So scuff, double heel, cramp roll with 2 extra heels. So from here, step, step, heel, 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 heel. Okay. So again, scuff, heel, heel, and then 2 more paradiddles, right side, left side. Okay, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Try that again with me here. 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to do that 2 times through. So let's try that 2 times through here. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. All right, and then from here, you're going to go into dig, spank, heel, double Cincinnati on your right. So dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, draw back. And you're going to repeat that on your left. Dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, draw back. And then you're going to do a single. And then 2 extra Cincinnatis. This one, you're not going to finish the drawback. You're going to end on that shuffle heel. And then 5 count riff ending on a dig on your right foot. Okay? So, again, from here you have dig, spank, heel, shuffle, shuffle, draw back, dig, spank, heel, shuffle, shuffle, draw back, dig, spank, heel, shuffle, 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 heel. 5 count riff, end with that dig. Okay, let's try it from the top here. Let me just push my board back a little bit. So from the 2 slurps, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Slurp, slurp. Hold. Scuff, heel, heel. Good. From here, toe is up. You're going to drop that toe. Do a chug with both feet going forward, or a heel drop or a slight chug, whatever you feel like doing. So again, toe, chug, double pull back on your right, step, step, and then 2 5-count riffs. Okay, so again, we started here, toe drop, chug, pull back, step, step, 5-count riff. And then you're going to pretty much repeat that again, but instead of starting from this dig and the toe drop chug, you're going to go into it with the step, step, double pull back on your right, step, step, 5-count riff, 5-count riff. Good. So try that again with me here. So 2 times through, starting from this dig, toe drop, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Good. And then you have what I like to call shuffles around the world. You're going to do start with your right foot. You're going to go shuffle heel forward, shuffle heel side, shuffle back. We're kind of running out of space here. Shuffle back, and then draw back. And then same thing on your left. Shuffle forward, side, back, draw back. Again, right. Last one. On this last one, instead of going into another drawback, you're going to end it on a stomp on your left foot. And that's where I ended it in the video. So, again with your shuffles around the world, starting on your right foot 4 times through, you have forward, side, backward, draw back. And stomp. All right, let's try whole thing through from the top. And here we go, from the slurps. And 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to do this, dance with music, I posted a short earlier this week that you can go back and watch. I will also post the link in the description box below. So if you would like to do it with music, again, you can go find that and try it out with music. So thank you again for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.